Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. We are from Team 3B4 and today we are going to present our project called Educonnect, a parent information application. This project was developed under the guidance Ms. Yeni Rokhayati S.Si, who served as our project manager. Our team consists of 4 members, this is Hanifah, Windy, Jesica, and Melanie. Now, let's begin by looking at the real-life problem that inspired the creation of Educonnect. In many schools today, communication between teacher and parent is still not very effective. Important information, such as attendance, activities, and announcement, is often shared through irregular meetings or unorganized WhatsApp groups. Because of that, there are often cases of miscommunication or even less information, and parents find it difficult to keep track of their children's learning project. Yet, as we know, parental involvement plays a very important role in supporting student growth and academic success. To solve this issue, our team designed a more structured and digital solution called Educonnect. Educonnect is designed as a digital platform that bridges communication between school and parents. Through Educonnect, all interaction becomes centralized, real-time, and transparent. It replaces structured communication channels with one organized system that supports better collaboration between teachers, parents, and school. Now, let's move on the main objective and technology used in developing this system. The main goal of Educonnect is to build a web and mobile-based application that strengthens communication between schools, teachers, and parents. It's designed to be user-friendly, real-time, and accessibility for everyone. Some of its main features include attendance monitoring, announcement, permission requests, and payment history. Technically, Educonnect uses Flutter for the front end, Laravel PHP for the back end, and MySQL for the database, ensuring data integrity and efficient information flow.
Alright, this is picture the general system design of our project Educonnect. Educonnect consists of 2 main platforms, a web application for teachers and admin, and a mobile application for parents. Both platforms are connected to a centralized database that stores and synchronizes all data in real time. Starting from the teacher side, teachers can manage various types of data through the web application, such as student attendance, announcement, and school activities. Teachers can also send both general and private announcements to specific students. The admin have broader control. They manage the master data, including classes, students, teachers, parents, and school payment information. Admin also ensure that all data displayed in the system is accurate and up-to-date. Meanwhile, on the parent side, the mobile application allows parents to monitor their child's academic information anytime, anywhere. Parents can view attendance record, schedule, announcement, profile, and school activities. They can also submit permission requests if their child is absent due to illness or other reason. In addition, parents can edit both their own profiles and their child profile. All these activities, whether from teacher, admin, or parents, are connected through the database Educonnect, which is responsible for storing, updating, and retrieving data as needed. In the functional requirement, there are 20 features divided among parents, teachers, and admin. For parents, the application provides features such as viewing their child information, attendance, class schedule, announcement, profile, and detailed payment information. Parents can also submit live requests when their child is absent from school and edit both their own profile and their child profile. Teachers can manage student attendance, create announcements, and organize school activities. Meanwhile, admin are responsible for managing all master data, including data on students, teachers, classes, parents, and payment information. All users can also log in and log out securely. These features ensure that Educonnect operates effectively according to each user role. And next, non-functional requirement, it focuses good user experience and system efficiency. First, structured source code, easy to maintain and update. Second, clear Indonesian language, understandable for parents and teachers. And last, easy to use, user-friendly, intuitive, and simple navigation. Ensure Educonnect is efficient, maintainable, and comfortable to use.
Next, this is our diagram use case and ER diagram. Use case diagram explains how the 3 main users like admin, teachers, and parents interact with the Educonnect system, showing all the key functions for each role. The ER diagram shows the main entities like user, student, attendance, announcement, and payment information, and how these entities are related in the database. During development, we faced several challenges. In evaluations of process and current structure, some user needs were unclear, so we improved communications with clients. And in future selections, some tools were not optimal, so we conducted feasibility studies. In interface design, some UI parts were unresponsive, so we did prototype testing. In implementations, delays and inconsistent acquired, so we used Git and daily meeting. And the last one is evaluations. Testing wasn't frequent, so we added regular updates and performance monitoring. Our team consisted of our members with specific responsibilities. The first one is Hanifah Cahayarani, prepare RPP, design app logo, create UI UX, implement front end, And then build modular folder structure, create use diagram and assess activity diagram and ER schema, work PBL report for ATS, design and prepare ATS project presentation slides. And Melanie Putri prepared LPP, design UI UX mockup, and implement front end, and then create activity diagram like login, logout, and all parent features. Word PBL report, chapter 3, activity diagram and wireframe design, create sequence diagram. Jessica Manalu prepare RPP, design UX mockup, create activity diagram, contributed to PBL report, assist in usability question. And then the last one is Yohana Gurning, prepare RPT, design UX mockup and implementation front end, create use case design and ER diagram, contributed to PBL report.
Next, this is the interface for parents. First, on the login page, parent can log in using their email and password. After successfully log in, they will be direct to dashboard page, where they can view and overview their child attendance announcement and daily class schedule. If the child is absent, parent can submit a request through the permission request page by selecting the type of permission such as like sick or leave, then filling in the date, reason, and uploading supporting evidence like a letter or image, and finally click the save. Now, this is the interface for teacher. First, teacher can log in using the email and password. After login successfully, they will be direct to dashboard page, where then can see the student attendance summary and the last announcement. On the attendance page, teacher record daily attendance by selecting the date and marking as student attendance status, and the data will be automatically saved in the system. On the permission request page, teacher can view permission requests submitted by parents. Next, project implementation plan. In weeks 8 to 11, backend implementation and integration with database. Weeks 12, system testing. Weeks 13, application development. And weeks 14, making PBL final report, making AAS presentation material, making poster and manual book, making video AAS presentation and demo application. So, as a conclusion, our project has now reached around 65% of front-end development. Most of the main interface have been successfully developed and are functional well. Through the features that have been implemented, Educonnect aims to enhance structure and transparent communication between schools and parents. For the next phase, we plan to continue with backend development, database integration, and usability testing to ensure that the system runs efficiently and provides a good user experience. Overall, our goal is for Educonnect to become a meaningful and user-friendly education platform, a real contribution from informatics students in supporting digital education. Lastly, here we present some documentation from our meetings and progress discussion with the project manager throughout the development process. And that's all our presentation, and thank you for the opportunity.